let's crochet these really super cute succulent string of pearls. So cute. In another tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the hanging pot and the dirt and how to assemble it all. But this video is going to show you how to make the pearls. All right. And for this, you are going to make as many strands as you want. You're going to make them whatever length you want. I made some long ones, some medium ones, some little shorty ones. And I think that really fills it out nicely and makes the plant look a little more natural. So you're going to need scissors, your hook, a needle, and the yarn you're going to use. And for me, I'm using a really fine yarn because mine is a mini pot, but you can make these like a worsted weight or a bigger plant too. Start out with a slip knot and leave a little bit of a tail, because the tail is how you're going to attach it to the plant. To the planter later, into the dirt. And go ahead and chain between, I'd say 6 to 8. And like I said, it doesn't matter exactly the number that you chain. It's whatever length you want your strand to be. This is the first section of chains before the first purl. So you can vary this each time, you can make it the same. Now when you get to your last chain, leave a little extra space, yarn over, and go into the chain under the second strand of the chain. So how there's the outside of the chain and then the middle one that's like the bump. Go under the bump so that you have 2 strands on your chain. It'll just make it a little stronger. And then pull up a loop, you'll have 3, and do that 2 more times. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop. And then at that point, you will have 7 on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 7. Now chain 1 and into the chain right before the purl you just made. Same thing, enter the chain under the middle bump strand so that you have 2 strands. And now do a slip stitch and make it fairly tight and snug. And that's it, you just made your first purl. Cute. Now turn your purl away from you like you're turning your work from right to left, and go ahead and chain for the next one between 6 to 8. And that's really it, you guys. You just repeat that until you have the strand as long as you want. I'll show you how to finish it off. So here's one more time. Here's your final chain, leave a little space, yarn over, insert into that second chain from the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. You're going to do that 3 times for a total of 7 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 7, chain 1, and into that chain right before it, enter, and slip stitch. And that's it. And you just keep doing that until the strand is the length that you want. Now when you're done, here's how you finish it off. So you just did your final slip stitch. Let's say this is the last purl you want in the strand. Go ahead and snip your yarn, leave a little bit of a tail. Fasten off by just pulling that through. And now take your needle and all you're going to do is just run this through a few times wherever you want, just to kind of hide the tail end and also secure your purl. You can go as many times as you want. And then when you get to the last time, when you feel it's secure, just give it a little snip. And it's all hidden in there. And you have a cute, you could even use this one with little 2 on there. Adorbs. But eventually you'll have a whole bunch of these. And then you can make this cute plant. All right, that's it. That's the string of pearls. Check the other videos for how to make a Monstera leaf and how to make the rest of this. Okay, bye.